Hi, this is Dr. Priyal Gala. I'm a consultant dermatologist and trichologist practicing in Mumbai, Matunga and Worli. You'll have all heard of the second COVID wave. How has it affected our hair? Everybody is now complaining of hair loss. A lot of hair loss, a lot of women and men are affected. When do you classify hair loss? If you are losing anything between 50 to 100 strands a day, that is normal. But if you're losing anything more than that, yes, that is classified as hair loss. What are the types of hair loss that we are seeing after COVID? Let me take you through the phases of hair growth. We have 3 phases. The anagen phase, which is the growing phase of the hair. The phase can last from 1 to 7 years. 90% of your scalp hair are in this anagen phase. Then you have what we call the resting phase. This is the telogen phase. The resting phase lasts for about 1 to 3 months, and about 5 to 7% of your hair are in the resting phase. Resting phase leads to falling of hair after some time. Now, what has happened in post-COVID, a lot of your hairs are now going from the anagen phase to the telogen phase. That could range from 30 to 40%, even up to 60%. So you will see a lot of hair fall. This will be only after 1 to 3 months of your COVID episode. It will not be immediate. Is COVID the only stress factor for telogen effluvium? Not really. You can have nutritional deficiencies, you can have other illnesses, heavy medications, lots of stress. All these can lead to telogen effluvium. Now, should you be worried? Not really. Telogen effluvium is very reversible with correct line of treatment. What can you do at home? You should take your vitamin supplements, your iron supplements if your hemoglobin is low. Take your calcium supplements if it has been advised. Take a very good diet full of rich nutrients and minerals. You can take a lot of fruits, your salads, protein sources, a good amount of non-vegetarian food. You can take a lot of nuts, seeds, even simple things like khajur, jaggery. Even this help with a good hair growth. Would oils really work? So yes, oils help you with conditioning of hair. Oils help with mild hair loss. But if it's major hair loss, not really. When should you see us? When should you see a dermatologist? So if you're having tremendous hair fall, if you're having anything more than 100 strands a day, not improving in say 1 to 2 months, then that is the time when you need to see a dermatologist before it becomes worse. What hair care can you take at home to improve this COVID related hair loss? I have seen a lot of women being very scared of washing their hair just because they have hair loss. No, that's a wrong concept. You have to wash your hair regularly. You have to degrease your scalp regularly to have a good healthy hair. You should use a good shampoo, a mild one is okay, a good conditioner if you have dry and frizzy hair, and a leave-on serum if you have extremely curly or extremely frizzy hair. Please remember to have a good hair care routine which has to be done at least twice or at least thrice a week so as to not have hair care related hair loss. We are seeing a lot of tangled messes, people who have not combed their hair for a long time, lots of knots, lots of frizzy split ends. This is all bad hair care routine which you should avoid. What will a doctor do for your COVID related hair loss? We will be prescribing medicines, oral ones, application ones which can be serums, oils, or even minoxidil which you would have heard of. There are also a lot of injectable therapies now available to help you reverse this COVID related hair loss. What are the other types of hair loss that you can see in COVID? You must have heard of COVID being a very autoimmune phenomenon. You have autoimmune heart disease, autoimmune liver disease. A similar type, that is autoimmune hair loss, can be seen in COVID. It is a type what we call alopecia areata. This you have to see a dermatologist to get it corrected. Please do not ignore it. What are the signs of hair loss that you can see in your hair? You will see, of course, a lot of hair falling in your shower, in your pillow, in your bed, even through your comb. But remember, there's a very important tip of how you can make out hair fall. You can see a lot of scalp show. You'll see a lot of your scalp skin here. If you pull your hair like this, you will see a lot of scalp skin here and even here. If that is very visible, then remember your hair loss is quite a bit and you need to see a dermatologist. Now, how can you make out your hair loss is slowed down? Your hair is growing. A lot of people would notice small, tiny, frizzy hairs growing in the front, like very small, tiny hair. Remember, that is your regrowing hair. So it means that to some extent the hair growth is now coming up and it's becoming reversible. Let me summarize COVID related hair loss. So COVID related hair loss type is telogen effluvium. It will be seen 1 to 3 months after your COVID episode. It is reversible, so don't worry. Please take a good hair care routine at home. See that you take your multivitamin supplements, iron supplements, calcium supplements if prescribed. The hair loss will reverse in about 3 to 6 months, but please see a dermatologist if you see more than 100 strands a day and the improvement is not seen in the first 6 to 8 weeks. Thank you.